friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna draw a police car in a white and black color. First, let's draw two circles. Those are the wheels, and then connect them. Draw another lines at the other sides of the wheels, and we're gonna start drawing the body of the car. Next, we connect it at the back and draw the light at the back and the bumper and the light at the front. Split the car into two. Draw the side mirror and then draw the windows. The one at the front, just like this. And the door handle, and then the window at the back. And then split the front part like this, and then the back part. That's how we know which part we're gonna color black. And then draw a small circle inside each wheel. Draw the siren just like a rectangle and split it into two, and draw a little line to split the top side. That's the ones that we color black letter on, and write down police, POLICE. Police. And now we are ready to color. The light at the back is red, the siren is red and blue, while the light at the front it's yellow. The circles in the middle of the wheels and the bumper, they are gray, and then the car it's black and white. The police car's windows or the glasses, they are light blue. Actually, I'm using dark gray for the wheels, but I think it just looks like black. If you have darker shade of gray, use that so there will be difference between the wheel and the body of the car. And then for the window, let's take a crayon and draw a diagonal lines. Short, long, short. It looks really nice, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.